Yo, for a week I drew only eyes and that's what happened. Okay, but first, why eyes are so important? And it's pretty simple. The first one is almost every character has them. And also most of the time it's the main focus on the character. And also you can convey a lot of emotions through that. And storytell. So that's why it's important. Now, why do I want to improve it? So I really enjoy drawing characters and I see that eyes that I draw are not the best. And that's why I want to improve that. So now my plan was to basically every day just paint some eyes. First do some warm-ups, some quick ones, and then try to render it, okay, and paint something. And at day 7 I wanted to do like, final eye, and that's what I did. Now the first day was just to see where am I in my skill, and at the same time I just watched Sam's tutorial on YouTube and I saw how he draws eyes and I just wanted to practice myself. So I watched that and went straight to painting. So it was just to see where my skills at, and yeah, nothing crazy. I mean, like looking now, I see where I can improve, so that's a good sign. Now for day 2, I don't know, I messed up something. Okay, I tried to do the waterline and stuff, and the eyes were garbage, pretty garbage. So now it's already day 2, and I've just regressed from day 1. And what I think it is the eyelashes are super messy. And the colors don't match the skin and stuff, so yeah, like the values. So that's what was messed up. So on day 3 I watched Ross Draw's tutorial then, and I drew the first eye, the second eye, and then I just forgot what I learned. And also I realized that the eyes that I paint in grayscale are much better than they with colors, and that's probably obvious because colors are harder than just values. So yeah, the contrast, the values were really off. I mean, it's still better than I did the day before. And like in some, eyes, the eyelashes should be, darker. In some, like basically the skin shouldn't be darker than eyelashes, at least for me. And also on that day, I tried to experiment with some brushes, okay? And I've made some brushes that I really like. Obviously, they're free in description, but I really like the way I didn't draw eyelashes with them. So yeah, like I should remember just going to next day that, the contrast is off, but I didn't. And going to day 4, I was already tilted, okay? From day before, I just wanted to improve shapes, okay? Because I saw that the shapes are lacking, okay? They're weird, they're like, I don't know, they're not eyes. So that's what I did, and looking back, I don't really know why, but I got mud tilted, a lot tilted. So that's why I quit that day, and I didn't really paint. I only like sketched a couple of them. And now going to day 5, I sketched a couple of them again, and went to color, and I finished the first one and I already get tilted again, so I just gave up. And here I had a problem. So I don't really like the way my eyes are progressing, okay, or even regressing. So the eyes were garbage, they didn't really look like they belong on that face skin, they were off, and also they were lifeless and dog shit. So I knew that I have to change something, okay? And going to day 6, I got my shit together and I started practicing shape, color, and some emotions. And also I wanted to improve what I liked before, so I was very cautious with values and the grayscale, but still the eyelashes could have been a little bit darker. And yeah, but that was day 6. And now going to the final day, I wanted to see what I learned. I just drew one pair of eyes, and to be honest, I forgot everything that I learned, okay? The eyes turned not really that good. Obviously they were still a progress from let's say day 1, but I didn't like the way it turned out. So at the end of this challenge, I didn't really want to put a flop at day 7. So next day I did it again and I drew. So I painted this and I think that's pretty cool. Okay, it's much better than the day before. I don't know, I just forgot the values, okay? The contrast, the shapes, okay? The colors even. So yeah, I'm really proud of day, I guess, 8 of this eye, a single eye. But yeah, to summarize this challenge, it was really hard. It wasn't really hard because of the topic, okay? I mean, eyes are pretty hard for me to draw, but it was harder to actually stay consistent, okay? To actually, keep going, because, you just practice, you draw, and you get worse, so what the hell? But yeah, trust me when I say this, like, progress is not linear, okay? So that's what I gotta keep in mind. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe and stuff. And there will be a tutorial on how I draw eyes like that, so you can wait for it in this week probably. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next. So bye.